All right, here's the chairs, the lawn chairs that you have to relax in the summer. You're playing your pool, you're watching your kids, you're reading a book. Now, this one took me about an hour to put together, both of them. I was doing it at the same time. I like that it has the back wheels here, so you could carry it, move it place to place. It has different angles that you could grip to lower the actual back, like the actual cushion that you could take it off if you want, optional. You could take it to the cushion. I like that this part of the cushion hangs up in here so it won't drag to the bottom. There's also tied up underneath of it that you need to do. These are washable, removable. You can save them for summer or get them away from the actual sun so the sun won't kill them. This entire thing is very light, and if you guys can see, this is the bottom part of it where it ties down the actual cushion. Now, this is an option. You could have it in your waist, or you can put it up here, depending on how you want to use them. Like I said, the instructions are very thorough, very intuitive. Now, one of the things that they do, they have different colors, all right? And this is for outdoor graded, so you don't have to worry about sun eating it. In fact, almost same furniture as I have right now. So if you're guys gonna look for something like this for summer, highly recommend you. Now, this can carry a lot of weight up, right, or a little bit higher, depends on the actual user. There's 3 points of touch impact, 1 here, 2 and 3. Lifting from one hand, rotating wheels. All right, you can move it any location you want.